एक लम्हा जो गुजरा है तेरे साथ, एक लम्हा जो गुजरा है तेरे साथ, छा जाए जिंदगी में मेरी बन के नूर तेरा, बन के नूर तेरा। एक लम्हा जो गुजरा है तेरे साथ, छा जाए जिंदगी में मेरी बन के नूर तेरा, बन के नूर तेरा। जिंदगी हो पैगामे मोहब्बत, जिंदगी हो पैगामे मोहब्बत, दुआ है यही मेरी रब से, दुआ है यही मेरी रब से। लम्हा लम्हा, लम्हा लम्हा, दुआ है यही मेरी रब से। लम्हा लम्हा, जिंदगी हो पैगामे मोहब्बत, जिंदगी हो पैगामे मोहब्बत, दुआ है यही मेरी रब से। लम्हा लम्हा, अल्लाहु 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 अल्लाहु, लम्हा लम्हा, लम्हा लम्हा, अल्लाहु 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 अल्लाहु। Life is meaningful that embarks on eternal voyage. Each moment a breath comes in, and next moment it goes out. Life therefore stretches between these two happenings. Life is momentary. Ek lamha. Life is momentary. Life is a moment of awareness, a moment of awakening. Life stretches between the incoming and the outgoing breath. With each breath, a new life comes in and then disperses in the unknown oblivion. Then again a new life springs forth from the unknown and unknowable. The movement takes place at a tremendous speed. Mind and its finiteness cannot catch this because of tremendous speed. Whenever the electrons move at a tremendous speed, the human cognition cannot catch hold of this. As a result, a wall that is in front of you appears to be stationary. The reason that things decay indicate that the movement is at such a speed that no human cognition can catch hold of it. Such is the case with life. Scientists say skin goes on changing every finite moment, but your eyes and cognition cannot envision this. In that case, it remains a mere assumption. Only when the journey of consciousness turns inward and it reaches to the inner core, that the mystic realizes this, then life moves differently. I take you through this state of awareness. एक लम्हा जो गुजरा है तेरे साथ, छा जाए जिंदगी में मेरी बन के नूर तेरा. Life is in a moment. So too meeting is a moment's ecstasy. All that is sublime happens in a moment. Love happens in a moment. Love is not a gradual process. It always happens instantaneously. And when you are available to that precise moment, and you never come to know of this, when does love takes hold of you? You can never plan for love to happen. You can never plan for all that is natural and is spontaneous. Buddha transferred the mind seal to Mahakashyap in a precise moment, and thus was born Zen Buddhism. Such precise moments are the moments of awakening. What is the moment of awakening? In the moment of awakening, the consciousness does not move outward. In the moment of awakening, consciousness does not move outwards. The mind is no more. No thinking, no emotions, just pure ishness or serenity. In such a moment of pure awakening, something jumps from the master to the disciple. This is communion, the wordless communion. All the scriptures happened in such moments as wordless communion. Such is transmission without transmission. This is how an unlit candle gets lit. No one knows when the unlit candle really gets lit. As the unlit candle comes closer and closer to the lit one, a moment comes when something invisible jumps from the lit candle and lights the unlit one. No human eye can really envision this transmission. Such is the moment of awakening. This is a precise moment of awakening. One moment that is spent in thy company. एक लम्हा जो गुजरा है तेरे साथ. One moment that is spent in thy company. I am speaking of this precise moment. This is Lamha, a moment. The poet really meant this moment for his beloved. A gentle knock at the beloved's heart. No response. A little louder knock. Again no response. Such is the moment of despair. Something dawned, and in a flash the direction of love changed. Something dawned, in a flash of a moment the direction of love changed. From worldly realm it directed to the eternal beloved, a union with whom I solicited along. A union with whom I solicited along. Union happened. Soul recognized the soul's call. Dissolution happened. The drop has now merged in the vastness of the unfathomable ocean of eternity. Life attained the meaning. Resurrected, I evolved out of the unfathomable. Such is the situation of the one who has attained this composition. एक लम्हा जो गुजरा है तेरे साथ, a moment that has been spent in thy company, may spread in my life like the life divine.